Hello everyone! Today I'm going to unbox Amazon Basis 50-inch tripod. Let's open the box. It has a lot of air packs. So the main box is that small. Okay, let's open this small box. It comes with the bags. Then I open this box. So when I open this cover, it looks like this. It's very light. So the weight of this product is only 540 grams. So the dimension of this tripod is a 16.7 and 3.1 and 3.1 inches. This product is not very suitable for the DSLR camera because it's super light. So I have this camera. I bought this like 10 or 20 years ago. It only works with this small camera. So if you want to use the DSLR, like this camera, you don't want to buy this product. So when it's really useful, when you travel a lot, it's very light to carry wherever you want to go, so that this tripod is suitable for that kind of purpose. As you can see here, there are 3 height adjustments. So let me show you. When you extend, you can just do like this. And also, I heard that you can extend, yes. The reason why I bought this product is very inexpensive price. So this one is only 15 bucks. So it's very good for the beginner like me. That's it for unboxing Amazon Basis 50-inch tripod. Thank you for watching this video.